Energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance.
Jim said I didn't do this good enough. I'm too chicken to go all the way down.
Allows Hoover Dam to operate without the
There's the water coming out of the bottom of the river. Okay, now we gotta walk.
You'll notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers, designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon.
I don't want to drop the camera.
Now look downriver, midway on the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is the